how to add floating home button to your iPhone screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add a floating home button to your iPhone screen, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down accessibility and then click on touch. Under touch, click on assistive touch. Now turn on assistive touch. Then you should see the floating button added to your iPhone screen. Now you can go ahead and customize the floating button where you see custom action. You can customize single tap, double tap, long press. And after that, once you're done, if you click on the application once, then you should see the app menu pops. You can go to device, control center, home, click on it. It's going to take you back to your iPhone home screen from wherever you are on your iPhone, like that. So that's exactly how you can easily add floating home button to your iPhone screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.